Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Expressions and Equations for Algebra 2A and 2B, and we're solving two-step equations. And this is our 5th example, and so I'm hoping you're catching on. So, on this one here, we have negative 5x plus 8 equals negative 2. So, it's a balance. You want to keep one side equal to the other. And so, we're going to start here on the x side here. And you want to get rid of the constant first. So you're going to subtract 8 on both sides. Be very mindful of your negatives here. And we're left with negative 5x equals, well, we have same signs, so add them up, and you get negative 10. That's like saying, I owe my mom $2, I borrowed another $8, now I owe my mama $10. Okay, and so we're still back on the x side. And negative 5 is being multiplied, so you're going to divide both sides by negative 5. And you're going to get x equals, and 10 divided by 5 is 2, and it's positive because there's 2 negatives there. Those are the negative rules. You must be checking too, so you write the equation. So let's check that out. So we go negative 5x plus 8. Does that equal negative 2? That does equal. So now we're going to substitute the negative 5 for, oops, sorry about that. We're going to substitute the x for 2. So x is 2 here, so we're going to put 2 here plus 8. Does that equal negative 2? So if we multiply this, we get negative 10 plus 8 equals negative 2. Sure enough, negative 2 equals negative 2. So instead of a 3-step check, you have a 4-step check on a 2-step equation. So make sure you know how to solve. So write the original equation, substitute, and solve. And the last one I want to show you is a word problem. So let's pull out some of the math. And it says, the last one would be a 6. Let me see. 6th problem is a word problem. So Toya had a birthday party at the movies. It cost $27, so pull out the math. $27 for pizza. And $8.50 per friend. Per friend. So each friend costs $8.50. Okay, so pull out all the math facts. How many friends did Toya have at her party if it cost $78? So the total was $78. So they want to know how many friends. So the friends are the x, because whatever they're asking is the x. That's what you want to know. You want to know what it is. So let's put it as an x. So let's set it up. So we have $27 for the pizza plus $8.50 per kid, and the friends are called x. And the total bill was $78. So we're changing the words into numbers, as we often do. So now we have a 2-step equation, and we're going to be starting off with the x side, because we always, or the variable side. And we're going to take care of the constant, which is 27. So you're going to subtract 27 on both sides. And you're going to get 850 x equals, and when you subtract that, you get 151. Equals $51, because this is a positive 78, and it's subtracted 27 out for the popcorn. So now we come back over here, and we have 850 being multiplied, so we divide by 850 on both sides. And we're left with x equals, and if you stop, drop, divide, you will get 6. So x means there were 6 friends, because the friends are x here. All right, so 6 friends went. All right, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.